My name is Allie Grine. My grade is second grade, and my lesson is called Contextualized Vocabulary. So before the reading, I would explain to my students um, the meanings of the targeted words in a way that um, would help them take the root in students' vocabularies. So my targeted words are going to be vista, coordinate, interior, and route. Okay, so I'm going to print the word vista on the board. And so let's say this word together. Vista. All right, let's say it one more time. Vista. Good job. So what is this word? Vista. Good job. So vista is a fairway scenic view or a beautiful view from a high place. So I'm going to give you the word in a different context so you can probably understand the word a little bit more and it makes a little more sense. So Jake climbed to the top of the hill and took a picture of the beautiful vista that stretched out as far as he could see. So why did Jake climb the hill? What could he see when he got to the top? So what do you think vista means? Give me an example of what you think it means. Good job. Okay, so now we're going to do a little engagement piece, a little activity. So this one's called questions. So where might you enjoy some vista? At the top of a mountain. That'd be a good one. Maybe a volcano. Oh, that's a good one. Okay, so now we're going to go to our next word, coordinate, and I'm going to put it on our board. So let's say this word together. Coordinate. All right, I want to hear you say it one more time. Coordinate. All right, now you say the word. What is the word? Coordinate. Good. So when you coordinate a plan, you match it up with someone else's. So let's put this into our passage that we've been reading. So Mom had to coordinate her work schedule to match Jake's school schedule so that she could get time off to travel to Alaska with him. So what did Mom want to do? To coordinate their schedule. She wanted to match them up. So what did she have to do to get time off? She had to make sure her work schedule matched Jake's schedule. So what do you think coordinate means? Well, I mean, you could say that coordinate means to put something right next to each other, but matching or making it similar is going to be a better way to say it. But I do like the way that you were thinking. That was a good job. So our next activity that we're going to do for this word is called finish the idea. So I'm going to say a little prompt, and I want you to give me your answers. So my sister and I tried to coordinate our after-school schedules because... So I want you guys to think in your brains, think for about 10 seconds of something that my sister and I tried to coordinate our after-school schedules because... All right, give me some answers. Maybe you wanted to go to the park after, so you wanted to make sure that you guys didn't have anything going on. That's a good one. Or you want to go to the mall. That'd be fun. All right, so let's go on to our next word. So our next word is interior. So I'm going to print that on the board. So let's say this word together. Interior. Here, let me say it. Interior. All right, so now you say the word. Good job. Interior. Okay, so interior So the interior of a state is called the central area. So that area is away from the coast, state line, or border. So it's like the central area, the interior. Really think of in, because we know the word in. Remember, think of interior. So an example from our passage is Jake wanted to travel inland to explore the interior of the state. So what did Jake want to explore? The interior of the state. What did he have to what did he have to travel? Where did he have to travel to do it? Inland. Good job. So what do you think interior means? Give me your definition. Good job. Okay, our next activity is going to be have you ever? So I'm going to ask a question and you're going to say if you've ever experienced this. So can you describe a place that you know about that is located in the interior of your state? So we live in Iowa. What's the interior of our state? Maybe Des Moines, that's like the middle of our state. It's where our capital is. Good. Maybe some farms. Good job. All right. So our last word is route. So I'm going to print it on the board. Let's say the word together. Route. So what is the word? Route. Good job. So a route is the way you travel to get from one place to another. How can you get from one place to another? You can walk, a car, a bus, or even a plane. There's lots of ways to get from one place to another, but they all need to take a route to get there. So from looking at our context, Dad looked at a map and found the best route to take around the Alaska Peninsula. Peninsula is kind of a hard word. Peninsula is like, it's a long piece of land. It's kind of shaped like a U, and it's almost all the way surrounded by water, but not quite. So Florida in the United States would be a peninsula. Has anyone ever been to Florida? I have too. So what kinds of things are shown on a map? Lines, right? Names of places. Good. So what did Dad use the map for? To find the best route, right? So what do you think route means? Good, a roadway or a place, like a map to get from one way to another. Good job. So for our last activity, I want you guys to tell me which kind of activity you want to do. Do you want to do questions, finish the idea, or have you ever? Finish the idea? Okay. So we got lost when Dad took a new route from, have you guys ever got lost? Me too. That's why I use my GPS. So when we got lost when Dad took a new route from, you got lost when Dad took a new route from our house to Grandma's house? Yeah. Maybe you got lost when we took a route from our house to the baseball field. Good job. You guys did a really good job today.